Ready? Start. Sir, what has happened to the parliamentary law which says that even before 48 hours they have to be blocked? Stop. All this is in their law. Stop. In 2004, when I was in this house, I gave a statement after the last election in favor of the commission. Stop. It was widely published. Stop. I called upon the Supreme Court. Stop. I said that the Supreme Court should look afresh at the exit poll issue. Stop. When that happened and we were blocked for the first time, we had to suffer this crazy situation. Stop. Immediately after the elections, I did speak to the country again and again. Stop stanza. Even now, I say that this is a serious matter. Stop. I call upon all the political parties to sit together, think about it, and correct this. Otherwise, you are not having a fair election. Stop. This is where the matter unfortunately remains. Stop. Of course, today all parties are saying it. Stop. But I had to ask the political parties, why are you not going to the Supreme Court? Stop. In other matters, every day you take an expensive lawyer. Why don't you all go and make a noise there that we want it heard, we want it decided? Stop. This is what I asked the political parties, and it is something they have to think about. Stop stanza. Now again in April 2009, there was a hearing and the commission went there. Stop. People argued and fought hard and said, please decide, please do something. Stop. They did not get. I am afraid what comfort they should have got, and I was a little surprised. Stop. This is the Attorney General list. Stop. I do not know where he is taking the position. Stop. I mean, it is a little bit on any side. Stop. I thought the Attorney General should be supporting the commission and should be fighting, saying that decide this matter, my lords. Stop. But I am afraid his position here is, as I read from the papers, he is standing half neutral on a side, if I can say that. Stop. All cuttings are here and I cannot understand his position. Stop stanza. Everybody takes a technicality that we have to have a law. Stop. Imagine the law ministry and the attorney general taking this kind of a position, saying that we need a law. Stop. If commission puts guidelines or somebody passes a law, then you could block these gentlemen or try to block them. Stop stanza. The law is there since 1996. Stop. The basic justice law of India is there. Stop. The constitution is in support of it and we had done it stop. But the commission keeps on pleading and they are getting nowhere stop. So, what I would like to say is that this matter should be pushed and taken up stop. In my eyes, the government, the law ministry, and the attorney general should do it stop. They should try to get it resolved quickly stop. The political parties should go there and take it up stop. Then they will get an early hearing stop. The political parties of India cannot be refused stop. It won't be that easy stop. But I don't know why they are not doing it stop. I believe we need it to have fair elections stop stanza. One of the things was raised by the honorable members here and I think that thing should be discussed by us stop and that is about the law stop. When we were discussing about the laws which are used to control the unlawful activities in the country, two kinds of views were expressed stop. According to one view, the law should be deterrent and stringent stop. But according to the other view, the law should not be so deterrent, so stringent, and so difficult to enforce that the laws themselves would be utilized by some persons to perpetrate some kind of terrorism against you stop. These were the two kinds of views stop. My friend here was very eloquent in saying try to protect the human rights and do not make laws like POTA stop. But then from the other side a plea was made that POTA is necessary, a law like POTA is necessary stop. We should have something like that on the statute book stop. Without having that kind of a thing on the statute book stop, it will be difficult stop stanza. My submission is that the truth lies in between the two extreme positions stop. It is necessary that we should have laws stop, but it is also necessary that if the laws are not human, they can be misused also stop. Instead of solving the problem, they can make the problem more difficult to solve stop. If an innocent man is harassed or is imprisoned, he and his family members are going to be very energy stop. They can turn into a hostile section of the society stop. They can become very energy with the government stop over.